Hey, 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 Nikki Brown here. So today we're having some just egg with a little bit of the Unreal Deli corned beef and the plant-based non-dairy cheddar slices. I decided to add some zucchini slices, and we're going to put some Slap Your Mama on it. Just a little bit, because it could be a little salty if you put too much. Also going to add a little bit of turmeric. Put our cheese on top and put a lid on it to help it melt. And melt it quite well. So now we're going to add, I just had one slice of the Unreal Deli corned beef. I'm just going to add that on top and flip it over just for a moment. So I stuffed it inside some wheat pita bread. I cut the top portion off, and there's what we have. Now we're going to blend our smoothie. I made some coconut milk. There are some black cherries in there, some frozen mixed berries, and some almond butter. So here is the almond butter, the frozen mixed berries, and the dark sweet cherries, and the coconut water or coconut milk I made using frozen coconut meat. Oh, and I forgot, there's bananas and some aloe vera in there as well. I have a baby by Okay, now we're going to pour. And I'm not worried about the little bit that's left over on the sides. But if you want to get that out, just a little bit, you can use a spatula like this or something similar. But that's all, folks. That is the break fast that I am having today. So we have our pita and our smoothie. Love y'all. Hope this was helpful. Later. Mwah.